Welcome to my mom's channel. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Yay, yay, yay.
In continuation with our math boot camp, here are some problems that I have written that he will have to solve. Here is the first problem. Second, he is not timed when he does these. This one right here. So with this one, what will happen is he will have to solve this problem in two ways. The first one, he will have to simplify the problem in algebraic terms, meaning he has to simplify it he has to bring this problem to a simplified version where it will show up as M and it will show up as P. The second part is he will have to put these numbers in replace of the letter and see what his answer is. And then he's going to compare what he got here and what he got here and determine if those two are equal. And they should be equal. So, for example, if this problem here, if A, when he simplifies that in algebraic terms, if that ends up being, let's say, 5M minus 2p, for example, and let's say when he puts puts the numbers in for the letters, and that ends up equaling, let's say, 22. Once he substitutes the letters for the numbers, when he simplifies the algebraic terms, if that answer equals this answer, then C is correct. Yes, they equal. If he gets two different answers, then he would have to redo it and figure out what he did wrong because they actually will be equal. Here's another problem here where he will just go around the house using a ruler and he will have to find three different items. One item he will have to measure in inches, one in centimeters, and one in feet. For this one here, I just drew something, put some numbers by it, and he will have to be creative and create three equations. He can use that as temperature. He can tell me a story, but he has to use these numbers. He has to notice that this is the highest, this is the middle, this is the lowest. He can use probability. He can find the mean. He can find the range. It's just totally up to him how he wants to do it, but he needs to create three different types of equations for me. And here is a word problem that he has to complete. It says Elena has $26.81 in her wallet. She wants to purchase a gift for her brother in the next 7 days. The gift cost about $43.43 with tax. She plans to complete a few chores to earn some additional money. If she takes out the trash for the next 3 days at $2 per day, does the laundry for $6, and washes each car for $7 each, will she have enough money? First, he needs to go through the problem like normal. One of our reading and comprehension strategies is to underline any key facts, circle or box or star any numbers. It can be a number that looks like a number. It can be a number that is within or that is spelled out in words. So he has to kind of emphasize those by circling it, boxing it, whatever. Once he does that, he asks himself, do you have all the information? If yes, he can go ahead and solve. If not, he needs to find out what is the missing information. And if there is any missing information, what I would do is go ahead and give him that information and he would go ahead and solve.